Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how you can import country list from a CSV file in Xilancer Freelancer Marketplace. So let's go to admin panel, log into the admin panel. Now, scroll down. Now you will see country manage. Click on country manage, click on country. Before importing any country through CSV file, make sure you have deleted all the countries currently you have. Otherwise, you may see duplicate country inserting in the database. So that is why we have cleared all the country we have in our system. For getting all the country list, we will use a file from the GitHub. This is the CSV file we will use for ourselves to import all the country in the Xilancer. I will put this URL in the description so that you can get the same file as well. To download this, click on this download button. Now it is downloaded in the download folder. Here it is. So let us import it in the Xilancer Marketplace. Let's back to the admin panel. Click on import country. Now you have to select this file we have downloaded. Click on choose file. Go to download. Here it is. Click on open. Now click on the submit button. Now here is an important thing. The title field means the country name. The status means the status, it will be public or draft. If you click here, you will see two value. One is ID, one is value. So what is this ID and what is this value actually mean? So for understanding this, we need to go back to the CSV file where we have downloaded it from the GitHub. Let's back here. And if you see, it has a two column. One is ID and the one is value. In our case, we need the country name only. So we need to select the value field here. So let's back to the import country page. Select the value. Click on the import. Import success. It is showing 149 countries imported successfully. Let us go to country page. As you can see, it has imported all the country we have actually uploaded through the CSV file. Also, the status is approved, which means status is published. It will be showing the website throughout the website wherever country list is showing. So, as you can see, it is very simple to import all the country. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.